नमस्कार. आज आपण गणित सेमी माध्यम इयत्ता 6वीची बेसलाईन टेस्ट 2025-26ची प्रश्नपत्रिका सोडवून पाहणार आहोत. चला तर मग पाहूया कशी सोडवायची ती. क्वेश्चन 3. सॉल्व द गिवन एक्झाम्पल्स. A. Write the price of the laptop in words. Here are the cost of laptop 76,299. B. Write number 16 using Roman numerals. 16 means XVI. C. Write the given number in expanded form. 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 9. D. Use all the given numerals once and form a 6-digit greatest numbers. We can write the greatest numbers as we written in descending order of given numbers 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 0. The number form 8,75,420. E. Form the numbers and subtract 300 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. Number becomes 325. 200 plus 1 tens plus 8 ones. Number becomes 218. Subtract 5 minus 18 means 15 minus 18. Remaining 7. Borrowed number given 1. 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 2 1. Answer become 107. F. Multiply 508 multiply 12. 12 8s are 96. Remaining 6. Number carried 9. 12 zeros are 0 plus 9 9. 12 5s are 60. Divide 919 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 2. Taken 1 become 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 21 0. We can take a next number 9. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 2. That means quotient is 131 and remainder is 2. Question 4. Solve the given examples. A. Write the shaded region in the form of a fraction. Here are 12 parts. So denominator is 12 and colored is 5. That means shaded is 5 is a numerator. The fraction becomes 5 upon 12. B. Which of the following is an equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4? Return that option number in the box. Equivalent fraction means same numbers multiplied by numerator and denominator. Here is a 2 ones are 2, 4 2s are 8. 2 upon 8 is a equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4. The option is 4. C. Which of the following figures represent the mixed fraction 4 upon 3? Write that option number in the box. Here denominator is 3. So 3 parts of a diagrams. In fourth option, here is a 3 parts of a diagram and colored is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fraction becomes 4 upon 3. So option is a 4. D. Which of the following represents the decimal form of a quarter to 4? Write the correct option number in the box. Quarter to 4. That means 3 and 3 quarter. 3.75. Option 3. E. Which of the following decimal fraction is greatest of all? Here 3 is a complete number. So we can see the 10th place. 7, 8, 9, 1. Here is a 10th place is a greater. So 3.9 is a greatest of all fractions. Option is a 3. Question 5. Solve. A. Observe the figure and write one of each of the following angles. Here acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle we can find from these diagrams. Acute angle means smaller than 90 degree. Here you can write any angle. Angle DBC, angle EBD, angle FBE, angle FBA. These are the smaller than 90 degree. So called a acute angle. Right angle, the angle 90 degree measurement. Here are two angles given. Angle EBC is a 90 degree. Angle EBA is a 90 degree. So we can write right angle in your 1. Obtuse angle, that means greater than 90 degree. Angle FBC, angle DBA are a obtuse angle. B. Draw an angle of measure 110 degree using protractor and name it. We can first draw a ray QR. First we draw a ray QR. Match the vertex with the center of the protractor and count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Here we take a point and join Q and this point and we get angle PQR of 110 degree. Also we can check our angle is correct or not. In this way we can draw an angle. Question 6. Solve. A. Draw a circle with radius 3 cm and show radius, chord and diameter in it and name them. We can first draw a 3 cm circle with the help of compass and then show a radius OP, diameter AB and chord CD. B. Complete the table. Radius, diameter. Radius measure is 3 cm, so diameter is 6 cm. 3 2s are 6. Radius is a diameter is a twice time of a radius. In second, diameter given 12 cm, so radius is a 6 cm. Radius is a half time of a diameter. Question 7. Expand the given pattern. You can observe the pattern and it can expand with the help of ruler and pencil. B. Classify the following as triangular number and square number. Triangular number, a number which can arranged in triangle. Square number, a number which can arranged in square. See here, triangular numbers 6, 10, 15, 28 and square number 4, 9, 16, 25. Question 8. Solve. A. Join the square and rectangle to form a big rectangle and find its area. Here is a square 3 cm and rectangle is length of 4 cm and breadth is 3 cm. We can join and got a big rectangle. Length of big rectangle is 4 plus 3, 7 and breadth is 3 cm. By joining given square and rectangle, the area of big rectangle is equal length multiply breadth, 7 multiply 3, 21 square centimeter. B. Observe the figure and tick correct the option. All small squares are equal in area. Here we are see the options. Here given a perimeter. So first we can find a perimeter. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The sides are 12. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. So A figure is a perimeter is a 12. B figure count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So B figure's perimeter also 12. Second option is correct. Perimeter of figure A and perimeter of figure B is the same. Question 9. Solve the following examples. A. Population of Buldana is 80,217, out of which 41,765 are male. Then find the number of female. Here total number of population of Buldana, male number can given. We can find a female by subtraction. Question 9. We can solve by subtraction. 7 minus 5 2, 11 minus 6 5, number borrowed 1, 12 minus 8 4, number borrowed 1, 12 10 minus 2 8, 8 minus 5 3. Answer is 38,552 are female in Buldana. B. Shopkeeper bought 50 pens each of rupees 8 and then sold it all at price of rupees 10 each. How much more money did he receive? First we can find cost price of 50 pens. 50 multiplied 400 rupees. 50 pens selling price, 50 multiplied 10, 500 rupees. Selling price is greater than cost price and difference is 100. So 100 rupees more money. Question 10. In the given table, linking for fruit and asked questions. Scale is 1 picture is equal 4 students. We can find one picture means 4 students. So mango fruit liked students are 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. Apple 4 3s are 12. Guava 4 1s are 4. Banana 4 2s are 8. We can write questions. Answers. A. Which fruit liked by most of the students? Here most number is 16. So answer is a mango. How many students have liking for apples and bananas? Apples 12, bananas 8, 12 plus 8, 20. Which fruit has least linking? Least means minimum. it is a Geva. D, in all how many students are there in the class? We can add 16 plus 12 plus 4 plus 8. Answer is a 40. E, how many students liked mangoes? Answer is a 4 4s are 16. Answer is a 16. So here in this way this question paper can be solved. You can see. Thinking about it, like, share and subscribe my channel.